Hi there, welcome to VA Consulting Pro. If you are working with Microsoft technologies and you already know the importance of certification in your career, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to let you know that how you can choose the best certification exams for you, which can help you to grow in your career. Well, if you would like to know more, stay tuned with me till the end of this video and I'm going to let you know everything about it. My name is Azure and you are watching me on BI Consulting Pro. Over here in this video, I'm going to help you out to choose the right certification exams for you. Microsoft has prepared one certification exam poster. I'm going to provide you a link in the description section, so please don't forget to check that out. This certification poster is going to help you out to choose a certification exam that can help you to grow in your career. This exam has various roles and also based on the different experiences, which I'm just gonna show you. So let's head over to my screen. However, before we go there, if you are over here for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up, and also do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they can also take advantage of our content. Now, look at my screen. Over here, this is Microsoft certification exam posters. If you would like to learn more, you can just click on this link and this is going to help you out. However, there are different kinds of certifications on Microsoft platform, which are based on infrastructure, data and AI, digital app and innovation, modern work, business applications, and security. On the other side, that means on your left-hand side, you would also find that there are the fundamentals, role-based, and specialty. Now, I'll take you through few of them. For example, you are starting your career in the data field and you would like to go with data and AI and you have no knowledge. So that means you have to first cover your fundamentals. In this case, what you can do, you can come over here and you see that this is the fundamentals. On the top, there is the data and AI. So go with Azure AI fundamentals if you are more interested in AI. However, you can also go with Azure data fundamentals if you would like to make your career with data only. In my experience, I'll suggest you to go for both of them. Furthermore, if you would like to get more experience, let's say you have 3 to 5 years of experience and you are already working in the data field, then you go with the role-based one and with some more experience. So over here, there's Azure AI Engineer Associate exam, Power BI Data Analyst Associate, DP600, which is Microsoft Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate. Then we have Fabric Data Engineer Associate DP700, and then Azure Database Administrator Associate exam, which is DP300. Like that, you can find all the certifications over here. We have already created dedicated videos for all the different courses. If you have any feedback for us, please do share in the comment section. Also, we provide different training programs for DP300, DP600 exams and Microsoft Azure exams. So please do connect with us. So that's how you can choose the right certification exam for you. We have created a lot of contents already, which are going to help you out to become a Microsoft Power BI or Microsoft Fabric certified engineer. Also, we have created for Microsoft Azure as well. That means if you would like to become a Microsoft certified Azure data engineer, then also we have a course for you. You can check all the links in the description section that are going to help you out. All the contents are completely free. And here we need your support. Please join our channel, become a member of our family and support us. This way we can create more free contents for you. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they can also take advantage of all the free contents we have for them. Till then, guys, keep learning. Let us know if you have any question, concern, or any feedback in the comment section and keep exploring the world of data. I'm going to see you in the next video.